More than a symbol of sweetness, peaches are a fruit of ancient reverence. First cultivated in China over 4,000 years ago, the peach holds a sacred place in mythology and medicine. In Taoist legend, the Queen Mother of the West tended a celestial orchard where peaches of immortality ripened only once every 3,000 years. To eat one was to be reborn, blessed with vitality and endless life. As the peach traveled the Silk Road, it gathered layers of symbolism. In China, it came to represent longevity and protection. In Japan, it became a figure of divine intervention, seen in tales like Momotaro, the Peach Boy. In Europe, it was linked to purity, sensuality, and spring. And in North America, peaches found their place in the rhythms of summer, grown by indigenous communities and later cultivated on farms across the continent. To me, the peach speaks of softness and quiet courage. Its velvet skin and golden blush seem to carry the light of August, a gentle reminder that tenderness and strength can exist together. There's a quiet confidence in how it ripens, unhurried and fully present. One medium peach, 150 grams, has 59 calories. It's got 14 grams carbs, 2 grams fiber, 13 grams sugars, 1 gram protein, and 0.4 grams fat. It's got vitamin C, A, E, B3, and B9, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Peaches are also rich in antioxidants. Yep, peaches are packed with nutrients, and with those come the benefits. Peaches are deeply hydrating and naturally alkalizing, perfect for the body during the heat of August. Their vitamin C content supports immunity and collagen production, while their potassium helps regulate hydration, energy, and heart function. With their fiber and water content, peaches also support digestive flow, making them a gentle fruit for cleansing and nourishment. In traditional Chinese medicine, peaches are considered both tonifying and dispersing, restoring balance and helping the body release what it no longer needs. Their juicy sweetness offers more than nutrition. It brings a moment of presence, asking one to pause and fully experience the generosity of the season. Choose organic peaches when possible that are firm yet slightly soft to the touch with a fragrant aroma and a warm blush. Freestone varieties are easier to work with when ripe, as the pit separates cleanly from the flesh. Store unripe peaches at room temperature. Once ripe, enjoy within 1 to 2 days or refrigerate to slow further ripening. For long-term use, peaches can be sliced and frozen or dried. Alone or with other water-rich fruits, peaches are best enjoyed raw. As a sub-acid fruit, they pair well with other sub-acid fruits like mangoes or berries, or sweet fruits like bananas or dates. Blend them into smoothies, sauces, or dressings. Juice them with ginger and citrus for a bright morning tonic, or pair them with leafy greens or microgreens for a balanced, nutrient-rich meal. In summer, I often enjoy them as a mono meal. 5 or 6 peaches at peak ripeness make a perfectly hydrating and satisfying lunch. And one of my favorite ways to eat peaches is blended into a sauce and served over banana and ice cream. Perfect for summertime. It's like sunlight in a bowl. Peaches, they remind us of our immortality. Rooted in ancient Chinese legend, passed hand to hand across continents and centuries, they arrive here on our tables, nutrient-rich and fortifying. Each bite carries a whisper of sacredness, a memory of strength that softens and sweetness that endures. Oh, and before you go, I just want to let you know that I've just placed the recipe card for this month in the free-to-join Fruitiful Soul Society. You'll also find our peach-inspired mandala coloring sheet there too. Click the link in the description. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.